Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual, guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. The registration numbers are in, and NEO rebounded almost 20% up to 4,872, with 2,500 for the NEO main brand, 1,700 for Envo, so there was a rebound on Envo again, and 672 for Firefly. Tesla slipped to 9,900 from over 12,000, and Xiaomi stayed strong at 7,200. So some of you may be asking, why is Firefly numbers so low? Well, I didn't know this until yesterday. Money Making Melvin told me, and now China EV Home is reporting on it. It says today, Pu Yang, the marketing head of NEO's sub-brand Firefly, indicated in a small user group this afternoon that the production line adjustment has concluded. Full production capacity has been activated this week, and they will strive for a new high next month. It said that basically they were retooling for the L90 and for the updated models that are coming. So the production line was slowed down because of that. So now you're going to see a ramp up of Firefly yet again. But whilst all this is happening, some incredible information just came in yet again by China EV Home. Here it is. So it says Envo L90 BAS pricing starts at $26,586. Full specs leaked online. I told you guys it was going to come in even cheaper, and here it is. This is unbelievable. Today, Nielsen shared what appears to be an official pricing list of different Envo L90 variants following its launch. Because remember, you're going to have the rear-wheel drive, you're going to have the all-wheel drive, you're going to have the 7-seater coming. But this isn't talking about the 7-seater. It's according to the league table, the L90 lineup aligns with previous reports consisting of the Max, and Ultra variants. Referencing the previous pre-sale pricing, the standard purchase price for the L90 starts at $39,200 to $27,100 after battery as a service subscription. Compared to pre-sale prices, the leak launch prices reflect an overall discount of $560 with details as follows. The Pro will come in at $38,600 US dollars to $26,600. So it's going to be starting at $26,600, guys. Unbelievable. So I expect Xiaomi and even a lot of the this is going to wipe out some of the even low-end models, guys. The Max starts at $29,400. This is to $41,000, and the Ultra starts at $32,000 to $44,000. So basically, L90 is starting at $26,600. This is, and I said this was going to happen. It says, in addition, the first wave of customers placing orders after the official launch is expected to receive a $420 deposit discount and a $700 option package discount. This is unbelievable, guys. And spy shots of the new color. One of the new colors just came in again. I'll put it as the thumbnail. If launched at the above prices, the Envo L90 could potentially disrupt the full-size 3-row electric SUV segment, triggering a shakeup, said the analyst. Compared to similar competitors in the range extender hybrid segment, because a lot of them are coming out with hybrids because of range anxiety, they don't have battery swapping, the L90 undercuts the Li Auto $57,400 price range, the Ito $65,000 price range. In the pure electric segment, $11,000 to $16,000. Then the Tesla Model Y, both expected to be priced between $50,000 to $56,000. The Tesla Model Y L. Even compared to the similarly sized D-PAL starting at 32,200. The L90 is priced about, this is priced about 7,000 higher than the L90. However, its advantages: battery swapping, a 900 volt high voltage platform. Yes, people keep forgetting we're also chargeable. We're not just swappable, and we're upgradable. So it's a high voltage platform, excuse me guys, and NIO's brand reputation ensure it remains highly competitive because of the brand. It's also worth noting that the Envo L90 is scheduled to begin deliveries on August the 1st, around the same time the Li Auto i8 and Tesla Model YL will also enter the market. Whether these competitors can withstand the L90's aggressive value for money offering has become one of the biggest questions in the Chinese EV market. Well, allow me to answer the question. There will be no competition. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. So guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.